Construction sales doesn't fail because of effort. It fails because effort isn't directed. Across the construction industry, teams chase leads, attend meetings, submit quotes, yet decisions are made elsewhere, earlier, and often invisibly. Bridge exists to change that. We operate on the ground, inside the market, mapping projects before they surface, tracking decision makers before procurement begins, and controlling movement, not just activity. Every action is deliberate. Every opportunity is qualified. Every decision is evidence-based. Bridge doesn't rely on hope, persuasion, or volume. Sales shouldn't either. We work through structure, timing, and control. Our operators move through projects, companies, and competitors with absolute clarity, knowing where to push, where to wait, and where not to waste effort. This isn't sales support. This is sales execution as a system. Bridge brings discipline to chaos, visibility to uncertainty, and predictability to markets that resist it. We don't just help you sell more. We make sales inevitable. Partner with Bridge and turn complexity into control.